Please log in to your OfficeTrack account. Go to Task module, select a task. Task information will be presented to you. Now go to File tab. You can browse and add document, remove or edit existing ones. When task is saved, data is automatically synced to your OfficeTrack mobile application. Your field resources can see task information and the attached file on his mobile device. He can view, download, save, and even edit the document. He can also send the file back as part of task entry submission. Site user can receive this document, view it or edit it, or reject for more work. You can even save it for future reference. Adding document management feature to your OfficeTrack account can help you save time, improve your total time spent on a ticket, and help gain stronger efficiency in your daily work. OfficeTrack team will be happy to learn more on your unique needs in order to empower your work. Take care and hope to meet again.